First up, we're going to do a really simple reversible upgrade, and that is changing out hardware. Now, when you think of hardware, you might just be thinking cabinets, but really it's anywhere that there's a screw involved. So that could be doorknobs, that could be your entrance knobs, that could also be your switch and light plates. As long as there's a screw that you can remove with a screwdriver or a flathead, this applies. Changing out your hardware, whether it's your front door or your kitchen cabinets, is such an easy way to personalize and add a little bit of your own flair to any space. It's a really quick solution that's easy to undo and can also travel with you from home to home. Just remember, when you're switching out your hardware, keep the old hardware, whether it's in a specific baggie or using the packaging of your new hardware. You want to make sure you have the old one available for you to put back when it's time for you to leave. When you're thinking about hardware, depending on where you're putting it, you have quite a few options. So when you're thinking about kitchen cabinets, bathrooms, closet doors, you get to have a little bit more fun and be playful with the colors and patterns that you choose. There are a lot of options that look custom without the custom price tag that you can get at a number of home improvement stores as well as online. So if you're switching out light plates and switch plates, you're going to want to keep in mind that you want it to look like all the light plates and switch plates in that room and not just the one. The same would apply to doorknobs to bedrooms and front doors and exits like that. So I'm going to switch the hardware on our new closets. This is such a simple way for me to elevate the entryway of our home while we still figure out what we want this to look like in the long run. So for this, all you're going to need is a screwdriver. Depending on the screws, you might need a Phillips screwdriver or a flathead, and your replacement hardware. That's it. Now that you've gotten the old hardware out, don't forget to put it someplace where you can find it later. Depending on where you're changing your hardware, you're also going to want to double check the size of the hole to make sure whatever you get to replace it will also fit. You're going to use the screwdriver to hold the screw in place in the back and then just screw on the knob. In my case, because the knob is smaller than the replacement, I would have to go in and do some touch-up paint. But otherwise, we're all done. Now I want you to go around your house and see what kind of hardware changes you can make. Don't just limit yourself to the cabinets in the kitchen. Think about the bathroom, your dressers, your light plates, your front door, your closets. The possibilities are limitless as long as you have a little bit of time and some new cool hardware that you want to see around your house.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest videos.